Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing? Hope you're doing good. So I just want to start by saying, sorry I haven't posted in a while. I have been extremely busy with school and AP testing, and I graduate soon, and update, I'm now 18, legally an adult. Look at me, I can now go to jail. That's fun. Today I'm excited for my 18th birthday. I got the Jeffree Star Blood Sugar palette. I'm so happy. I love it. Thank you, Uncle Drew. It's perfect. So I know that this is not a new palette. He's had it out for a little while, but for me it's new because I don't own it before like a week ago. We're gonna film a cool little eyeshadow look with it. So stick around if you want to see me have some fun with this amazing palette right here. Okay, cool. Stick around. Boom. Here it is in all its glory and amazingness. I would like to start off by saying how much I love and appreciate this packaging. It is awesome. It is so sturdy and like luxurious and heavy. Not too heavy, but like this thing's weighted. This is nice. Yes. I'm so excited. I am opening it. I love it. So this is the palette in all its glory and all its amazing shades. Again, this packaging is so good. So as you can see, I already have my base on. Have the Magic Star Concealer and Powder. Jeffree Star, of course. Let's jump right into it with this fluffy brush right here. I'm gonna go into the shade Cake Mix and put it in my crease. Okay, now we've applied Cake Mix into our crease. You know what? I'm gonna go in with the shade Prick. It is the vibrant red shade in the palette. It's going in with the red. Just blending that upward, making sure it's all soft and blended. Okay, so now that we have the red in our crease, I'm gonna take this brush, I'm going to use the shade Cherry Soda and deepen up the outer edge. That's a lot of pigment. Here we go. I'm keeping this shade centered more on the outside rather than going all the way up. Okay, so far it's looking really pretty. All the shades are blending really nice. I mean, I didn't expect anything else at Jeffree Star, so. So now I'm going to take a little tiny brush and go in with a little bit of fresh meat just on the outer edge. Now, going in with this one, get the rounded top, and I'm gonna go into Coma to darken up the outer edge even more. So now that we have this done, I'm gonna take a little tiny fluffy brush and go back in with Cake Mix. Just smoking out the lower lash line so everything's all even. Going in with that tiny brush that we used before and a bit of Cherry Soda. Just gonna go back over to soften it up a little bit, make sure it's all blended. Okay. So now we're going to add a little bit of shimmer on the lid. We're going to go in with the shade Sweetener and put that in the lid. It's so pretty. It's like a really shimmery, peachy orange shade. Super pretty. Oh my god, I love it. Sorry. Super pretty. Oh my gosh. Gonna go back in with that brush and just blend in the crease. Make sure everything is all blended and softened. I'm now going to take the highlight that I've actually been using as a mirror on a flat brush and pop this in the inner corner. Also gonna pop a little bit of this on the brow bone. I think that's all we're gonna do for the eyeshadow. While this palette is very intense, I wanted to keep it bold but still wearable. So this is kind of what I came up with for the eyeshadow. So to finish it off, I'm gonna add a little bit of Tarte Man-Eater mascara. I've added a little bit of mascara. Now I'm going to take my Morphe Y14 highlight brush and the Jeffree Star highlight in Peach Goddess and apply it to my face. Yep. That's what I'm looking for. So far, we're looking good. Oh, I really like this eyeshadow. It's so pretty. I love it. It's just so pretty. I love it. Now, the lips. What to do for the lips? Let me just dive in. And I'm back. Although it might be strange, I think I might mix some of red rum and this Morphe nude and see what we get. Because I'm kind of trying to pull from like the nude and the red from the eyes, so we'll see what happens. So, like I said, the Jeffree Star is in shade Red Rum, and then the Morphe, I was right, is in shade Schoolgirl. Both I love. Morphe for the price is awesome. Same with Jeffree, but then again, when it comes to Jeffree, he has yet to fail. What would be the best way to do this? Put the red on first and then the nude? Or the nude and then the red? You know, we're gonna try an ombre. Let's see, let's just see what happens. Also, hands down, one of my all-time favorite reds. This right here. It is like the perfect classic vintage red. It has that like blue undertone. If you're looking for a red, that's like a classic red that lasts all day, this is it. This is it right here. Okay, so far I've just taken red rum and gone on the outsides and kind of did that thing, whatever you call that. Is it called pursing your lips together? That thing. Then we're just gonna take some of this and put it on the center and then blend it out. So far so good. Just going back in with this to try to clean up some of the lines. Going back in with the Morphe one. Putting a little bit more in the center. So far so good. I'm actually gonna cheat just a little bit. Well, not cheating, kind of a little hack for you. I want to lighten up the center just a little bit more. So I'm actually taking a little bit of a light concealer and I'm going to dab that in the very center. And then leave it like that. That's the look. Just kidding. Just using my fender. I'm using my fender. Using my finger to blend it out. And there you have it. Easy ombre lips. And you could do that little concealer trick with any of your lipsticks. If you want it to be a little lighter in the center, take a little bit on your finger, blend it on the center, blend it out, and you got an ombre lip. Or you could do what I did and then take all three of them and do an ombre like that. Or as many colors as you really want it. Because yeah, I was trying to do the thing where I'm pulling all the elements from the look without being just like, bam, red lipstick. I want it to be a little bit different, so there's a little easy hack or cool little wearable lip tutorial thing. I think it's really pretty. Add a little bit of Morphe setting spray to lock it in. Like that. I guess you could either leave it like this, or you could add eyeliner, or you could add some gloss to change it up a little, make it look a little different. Okay, so you could either leave it like this, or you could add a little bit of a shiny lip gloss to change it up, add a little bit different type of dimension, like I'm gonna do. This is just a Morphe one. It's pretty. I got it in a set. You've probably seen me use these in my other videos. I don't think I ever read the shade names off these ones. Mainly because any gloss would work, but if you're wondering what this exact shade is, this is in shade Beguiling. Okay, adding the gloss down. If you want to kind of keep that ombre, you could add it just in the center. I wanted to do, you know, something simple, something easy, nothing too complicated. Still really pretty, you know. You could obviously switch this out for like a nude lip or like a more intense, less intense, whatever you want. But this was me just playing around with my new palette I got for my birthday. And there you have it, folks. Here is my look using my brand new Jeffree Star Blood Sugar palette. So far, from the shades that I've used, I love it. Kind of knew I would. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and tell somebody else to watch it and give it a thumbs up. And make sure you subscribe. And make sure you tell somebody else to subscribe. Hope you guys stick around for more. And hopefully you guys like what comes next. Thank you guys. Leave a comment if you have any requested looks or questions. I love to comment back when people comment. So yeah, if you guys have any suggestions, anything, video ideas, whatever, let me know. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Da-da-da-da. Bye. Oops. Softened. Softened. I'm now actually going to take, hold on. All three of them. I got distracted. Okay, and now back to your regularly scheduled programming. Okay. Yeah, so woohoo! Oh, shakalaka-boom. I filmed a video. I'm tired. I was like, forget. Blue first. Everybody wants the blue first. See you guys later.